I see the Alabama, that's where you stop your train. Home where I remain, where my name's
In the funeral, folks, I want to announce the engagement of my daughter Peggy to Homer Ashcraft. A big oil man.
Yes, sir. I'm losing a great pal.
No, you ain't, Jim. We'll always be pals.
Listen, Listen, miss. Me and Homer, we was raised together. Why, we fought side by side for 11 years through grammar school.
And 12 years through high school.
How many years off for good behavior?
They'd have graduated in July if the schoolhouse hadn't burned down.
And how?
Why not have the wedding after he graduates?
You'll be an old maid if you wait that long.
Now,
You and he and you, one and one are always two. Won't you tell us, hon, when you're gonna be one? You're so smart, he's so dumb. It takes two to do this. Someone tell us, hon. Someone tell us, hon, when you're gonna be one. When you're going down to Parson Brown and bring his children when the knot is tied. Multiply but don't divide. Won't you tell us, hon, when you're gonna be one? She's so sweet and he's so sour.
Let's do something else. What do you think?
Peggy! Hello, darling. Everything is arranged for our elopement. I'll be back at 4 o'clock this afternoon to get you, and we'll get married. Gosh, we'll be happy, won't we?
Yes.
And we'll go to Niagara Falls for our honeymoon.
Oh.
Pardon the intrusion. Now, don't forget, 4 o'clock this afternoon, huh? Goodbye.
Bye.
Gosh, I'm so happy I forgot. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Homer, now listen. Homer, wait a minute. Take it easy, old man.
Homer.
Wait a minute, Homer. Now you'll feel better.
All right, boys, play something.
Walk right in and turn around and walk right out again.
Something for Homer to sing.
Oh,
Sing, Homer. You're all right.
say, do you know roses bring dreams of you? Roses, roses, roses bring...
What's wrong?
What's the matter, Homer?
Hey, drink this.
Take that drink.
Hey, you feel better, Homer?
Try it again, Homer.
Here, Homer. Hey, Homer, Peggy, Homer.
Homer, what's the matter with... Take it off the body. Oh, I'm trying to. Well, please get...
Meet you outside. Yes.
The body.
Peggy, come here.
Gee, you're certainly falling for her.
Oh, well, she's a darn good kid. See?
Say, Homer, you're playing a little rough.
Oh, I'll treat her gently.
Gosh, I'd like to marry her myself.
Oh, you would, eh?
Yeah. Say, did you mean that?
I meant every bit of it. You bet I did.
You're sure?
I know it, I did. There's nobody can give it to me.
according to anybody. I don't care.
We've been pals 20 years, Jim.
Yeah? Well, this is where friendship ceases.
Yes?
Yeah.
You can bet your whiskers it does.
This is going to hurt me more than it is you.
Yeah, but not in the same spot.
Maybe not.
Now, go ahead. Ah! Say, hit where you're looking.
I did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I
eh?
did.
Well,
Oh, hey, listen, Homer, just a little bit. Homer, cut it out, will you now? Homer, I told you to cut it out, will you? Say, listen, I don't care what you do.
I'll bet you that you... Hey, Peggy, come here.
Darn you.
Hey, Peggy, come here. Well, I'll get you. I'll get you.
Don't worry, quick, here he comes. Quick, jump.
Hey, you hear me?
Don't worry, get out, get the light.
Look, put that cover back on.
Do I marry your daughter, Peggy?
No.
All right, no marriage, no cover, and you try to make me put it back on. Goodbye.
Come back here, come back down, you out of the Lord. Help! Mark! Kidnappers! What's the matter? Get me out of this! What happened? What happened? Come on! I'm trying to... The jets down flat! Hey, what happened? What happened? They've eloped! Who? Peggy's eloped! Phone the sheriff! Come on, Homer! Get the deputies, too! All right, I'll call the militia! Hey! Listen! I'm your father, and I forbid the marriage! Come on, Homer! What off? What's the matter? I don't know! Well, jacked up! Well, get her all! Well, get those chairs! Hey, Peggy! Okay. Okay, let's go! Peggy, come back here! Homer, come on! Hey, you down there killed me! I can't worry about that now! That's that! Oh, he's too low by now! Hey, I'm insured! What are you trying to do? Back up! Wait, go on, I got over! I'll take a walk into this now! Pull over another good cargo line! Come on, what you say? Right, whatever I'm doing, I'll get you, fella! Where are you going? Going fast! Ow! Hey, what was that?
Pardon me, where's Justice Brown?
Yes, we want to get married the worst way.
Yes.
He's at the country club.
Thanks very much. Gosh, here they are now. Hurry up, let's get out of here.
We'll get him in. Get off that damn it, get your leg out of that. Well, it's far, man. Get it down. Come on, there. You know what? Out.
We'll hide in the barn with the cow.
Let's get out in the wind. Let's hurry.
The milkman's here.
Keep very quiet.
I will. What are you doing?
Quiet. Take all of this.
What for?
Put it down below.
All right. It's working.
That's great.
Come on, Lucy. Loosen up. Do I have to get a stick to you? Come on now. Say, did they come this way?
Huh?
Did they come this way?
Oh, yes. She weighs about 800 pounds.
No. Did you see your boy and girl together?
Yes, it's beautiful weather.
It ain't no use talking to him, you darned old fool, yeah?
Yes, I am, too.
Must be a couple hunters.
Why, that was a close shave.
Come on, doggone you. Oh, Lucy, forgive me, Lucy.
Shortcut! Hurry!
We'll get him.
Where is Justice Brown?
You'll find him in the locker room.
Thank you. Darling, you wait right here and I'll be right back. Don't worry. Where's Justice Brown?
Why, he's over there.
I want to get married right away. You'll have to wait till I get out of here. There's no time to lose. You can't do that. You can't do that. I'm in enough of a hurry. You have to get right out.
Listen, you look that way and I'll look this. Oh, hey, did you see a young couple? One. No, two. A young couple. One. No, two.
Has anyone seen a golf ball?
No, I'm a stranger here. Oh! What the? Hey, listen! What's the trouble? These are my pants! 60,000 of them!
I won't do this. It's all right.
Please.
But all right, will someone please act as witness?
Yes, please, gentlemen.
Hurry up now.
Get my coat! Get my coat! Oh, I got him. All right, now. I got him. Give me a drink. Sure, right here. I can know. Get my pants off. Go back. Poor belly down all the time, too. I got him. Great.
That's all. Do you intend to be your lawfully wedded husband?
I do.
Yes. Yeah.
Don't stop.
I'll pay the judge, Judge. Never mind him. Don't worry about him, Judge.
Who's this fellow? Who's this guy? I got them all. Hey, open that door.
So now, you...
Judge, come back here. Wait a minute.
Where's everybody? Where's everybody?
I never think such a thing. It's awful.
You didn't get him too?
Oh, sure.
I want to speak to you. I'm through with the engagement and I want my ring.
Is that so?
Yes, you old fuzzy face. Huh? I'm going back to Oklahoma.
Go back to high school. And never darken my doors again. If you was your last fellow on earth, you wouldn't marry.
Oh, Judge, come back here. You haven't finished. Oh, finish it, please.
I pronounce you man